kids, welcome back to our next video session. Hope you're all safe at home and watching the videos. Today in this session we will discuss EVS topic parts of the body. Children, our body is made up of different parts. All the parts of the body are important for healthy living. Now we are going to see the different parts of the body. First, let's discuss the external parts of the body. Let's start from hair. We have beautiful hairs, isn't it? Some people may have long hairs and some may have short hairs. This is our head. We can nod our head from left to right and from right to left. This is our forehead. Eyes. We have two eyes. We can see through our eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows are placed over the eyes. Ears. We have two ears. We listen through our ears. Nose. We have one nose. Nose helps us to breathe and smell. Mouth. Mouth helps us to talk and to eat food. This is our teeth. What is the color of the teeth, children? Yeah, white. Teeth helps us to grind and break the food into small pieces. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste the food. This is our chest. Hands. We have two hands. We can swing our hands up and down. Hands helps us to take or move objects from one place to another place. This is our arms. Few people goes to gym to develop and maintain their arms. Fingers. We have 10 fingers. 5 fingers in left hand and 5 fingers in right hand. This is our stomach. It is also called tummy. Legs. We have 2 legs, right leg and left leg. Legs helps us to move from one place to another place. Knees. We have 2 knees. Knees helps us to bend. This is our foot. Foot helps us to walk and to stand firmly on the ground. Kids, shall we move on to the next content? Sense organs. We have 5 senses in our body. These 5 senses helps us to find what is happening around us. They are sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of hearing and sense of touch. Now let's discuss the sense organs one by one in order. Let's start with eyes. We have 2 eyes. We see through our eyes. We can also read through our eyes. We can see this beautiful world through our eyes. We can also read storybooks. Do not play with mobile phones or watch television very closer for long time as it may affect your eyesight. Keep distance while watching television, mobiles or computer screen. Do not touch or rub your eyes frequently. Do not watch the sun directly as the sun rays may harm your eyes. We should take care of our eyes properly. Wash your eyes frequently with fresh water and sleep well for maximum 7 to 8 hours per day. Have more carrots, eggs, spinach, almonds and fish in your day-to-day life as it is good for your eyes. Now let's see the next sense organ, nose. We have one nose. We breathe through our nose through the nostrils. The nose cleans the air which we breathe and carry to the lungs. We smell through our nose. It helps us to identify whether it is good smell or bad smell. Here, for example, the girl smells the fragrance of the flower. We can also smell the yummy food which mom prepares in the kitchen, isn't it? We can also smell the fragrance of perfume and incense sticks. These are few examples for good smell. Now, let's check examples for bad smell. What picture is this, kids? Yeah, garbage collection place. Can you guess what type of smell it is? Good smell or bad smell? Yeah, bad smell. When we come across this place, immediately we will close our nose, isn't it? The rotten vegetables also has stinky smell. If we didn't take bath regularly, we may get bad smell from our body. Hence, take bath regularly. The uncleaned toilets also smells very bad, isn't it? Now, let's see the next sense organ, tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscle inside the mouth. The tongue is very flexible and can move around a lot. Tongue also helps you while eating by moving the food around your mouth while chewing. We taste the food through the tongue as it is made of taste buds. The 5 common types of taste are sweet, salt, bitter, sour and spicy. Now let's see the sweet taste first. The sense of sweet taste can be identified in the tip of the tongue. Examples for sweet taste are sugar, honey, laddus and payasam which mom prepares during festival occasion, isn't it? Next, sour taste. Sour taste can be felt on the sides of the tongue. Few examples for sour taste food are lemons, raw mangoes and purple grapes. Next, salty taste. Salty taste can be felt on the tip of the tongue. Few examples are salt, fresh potato chips and packed chips. Next, bitter taste. Bitter taste can be identified in the inner part of the tongue. Examples for bitter taste food are bitter gourds, coffee, tender neem leaves, neem essence, gooseberries and betel nuts. Next, spicy taste. Few examples for spicy flavored foods are chilies and pickles. Now, let's discuss the next sense organ, ears. We have 2 ears. We can hear through our ears. We first listen to the conversation and then we can respond to them. We can also hear the loudspeaker sounds and bell sounds. We can hear the wonderful music through our ears. Children, never put any objects like earbuds into the ears as it may harm our ears. Mom will help you to clean the ears, right? The 5th sense organ is touch. I can touch with my fingers. We can able to feel the touch through our skin. The baby can able to feel the mother's touch. In the same way, we can able to touch and identify whether the objects are cold, sharp, soft, hot, thorny, etc. For example, here in this picture, the girl fell down and got hurt on her knees. She can able to feel the pain, isn't it? Good touch and bad touch. Kids, have you come across the word good touch and bad touch? I guess many of you will be aware of it. If not, please follow the instructions given below. Any touch that makes the child happy, comfortable or secure, it is a good touch. When we are touched by someone and when we feel good about it, like hugs from our parents, grandparents, high five to the friends, the person who loves and cares for us when touches us, we call it as safe touch or good touch. What is bad touch? The touch which makes you feel shy, scared and uncomfortable and you don't feel like to share with anyone. That touch is unsafe or bad touch. Specifically, there are 5 parts which should not be touched by anyone and not should you touch these parts on anyone else. These are mouth, chest, the part between your legs, thighs and bumps. Nobody is allowed to touch these body parts. Your mom may touch these body parts while bathing you or dressing you. A doctor may touch you to examine these parts at times when you're not feeling well, and that too only in the presence of your parents. So, what could you do if someone tries to touch you in a wrong way? Number 1. You should shout no. Number 2. Run away to a safe place. Number 3. Inform to your parents or grandparents immediately. Never hide anything to them. Number 4. If you are at school, share it with your teachers as they may solve the problems. Kids, be safe. Don't talk to the strangers or allow them to be closer to you. Keep distance and be cautious, right? Now, let's discuss about few important internal organs of the body. First, let's start from brain. The brain is the most important organ in the human body. The brain controls and coordinates actions and reactions. It is located in the head. Brain allows us to think, talk, feel, see, remember things, and enables us to have memories and feelings. Now, let's discuss about next internal organ, heart. The heart is the muscular organ which is located in the middle of the chest, slightly towards the left side of the body. The heart is important because it pumps blood to all the parts of the body. The size of the heart is about the size of a fist. Let's move on to the next organ, lungs. We have 2 lungs. The lungs are found in the chest on the left and right side. When we breathe in, air flows through the nose or mouth through the windpipe. The lungs are responsible for taking in oxygen from air into the body. Now, let's discuss the next organ, kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of organs shaped like kidney beans. The most important work of the kidney is to filter the liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine. The urine contains wastes and extra fluid. Each kidney is about the size of a fist. Let's discuss about the next important organ, stomach, small intestines and large intestines. The food which we eat enters into the mouth where the digestion starts mixing with saliva. Next, the food travels through the food pipe and enters into the stomach. The stomach is the most important part in digesting the food. The remaining food moves to the small intestines, which absorbs all nutrients from the food. Finally, the undigested food enters into the large intestine, which absorbs water and salts that has not been digested as food and excretes as waste products. Let's move on to the next internal organ, bones and muscles. Bones shape our body and helps us to stand up straight. All the bones in our body make up our skeleton. There are 206 bones in our body. Bone doesn't work alone. They need help from the muscles and joints. Muscles are attached to the bones. They help us to run, walk, and smile. Kids, now we have reached to the end of the session. Let's discuss few tips how to maintain our body fit and healthy. Number 1. Exercises. Regular exercises will make your body to maintain strong and healthy. Balanced diet. Have fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, nuts, meat, milk, dry fruits in your day-to-day food chart. Number 3. Healthy food habits. Consume appropriate quantity of fruits, vegetables, meat, milk, which is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. Number 4. Fitness. As food plays an important role to develop our body immune system, the same way regular exercises and workouts will help to maintain our body fit and healthy. Okay kids, that's it for today. Catch you later in the next video session. Take care. Bye bye.